So hey guys, welcome to my new video. Hope you all are doing well, and today's topic is PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. So now let's see the key points of today's presentation. Presentation, PowerPoint presentation, effective PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint layout, the ribbon, the File tab, creating a new presentation, the Home tab, inserting elements, slide design, transition and animation, slideshow, review and view, and then some designing tips. Presentation. So what is presentation? A presentation is a collection of data and information that is to be delivered to a specific audience. Okay. Means of communication which can be adapted to various speaking situations such as talking to a group, addressing a meeting, or verifying a team. A PowerPoint presentation is a collection of electronic slides that can have text, pictures, graphics, tables, sounds, and videos. These collection can run automatically or can be controlled by a presenter. Okay. PowerPoint refers to Microsoft PowerPoint, a program that allow the user to design a presentation that consists of multiple slides. Okay. Factors for effective PowerPoint presentation that are big, simple, clear, and consistent. Okay. How? Let's see now. So the first factor is big. Make it big means make it big. Text की यहाँ बात हो रही है. So this is Arial 12. This is Arial 18, that is too small. This is Arial 24 and this is Arial 32. Mainly in headings we use Arial 32 and 30, and for the small we can say subheadings or subtitles or the subtext you can use the Arial 24. Okay. Keep it simple. Do not have too many colors or too many fonts and style. Okay. Follow the 6 into 7 rules. No more than 6 lines per slides and no more than 7 word per line. So follow this rule, 6 into 7 rule. Next is make it clear. All capital letters are difficult to read. So don't use too many capital letters in a line or on the slide. Okay. Upper and lower case letter are easier to read. Yeah. Italics are difficult to read on screen, so don't use italic words. Okay. Normal or bold fonts are clear, so use normal or bold fonts. Okay. Underline may signify hyperlink. Okay. Use contrasting colors, light on dark versus dark on light. Okay. Like अभी मैंने इस पे मैंने background use किया है white and headings मैंने दी हैं orange से और simply मेरा text है black से. So this is dark on light and light on dark. Okay. Use complementary colors. Be consistent that difference draws attention and difference may impel importance. Okay. PowerPoint layout, or we can say the ribbon. The ribbon is a panel at the top portion of the document. Okay. It has 9 tabs that are File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View. And we also have an Help tab also. So each tab is divided into groups like in the picture. Home tab is open and we have different type of group in home tab, that is clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. So like we have different type of group in each tab. Okay, so now let's see the file tab. File tab allow you to open a saved presentation, means that is saved earlier, and now you have to open that saved one. So from the file tab you can open the saved presentation, start a new one, save as, print and share, export, close, accounts, and options. So these all options are present in the file tab. Okay, use the file tab to do all of your housekeeping work. Okay, always save presentation frequently. Okay, हमने 2 स्लाइड पे अपना काम किया, तभी के तभी सेव कर लो. ओके, सो सेव योर फाइल फ्रीक्वेंटली. ऐसा ना हो हमने सारा काम कर लिया और फिर गलती से वो बंद हो जाए और हमारा सारा काम चला जाए. तो अपनी फाइल को सेव करते रहना चाहिए. सो ऑलवेज save your presentation frequently. Okay, so these are present in file tab. Okay, now let's see create a new slide. Use the file tab to create a new presentation. While PowerPoint startup, a blank presentation will be shown. Okay, you can use the blank presentation or access other option under the file tab. Okay, in the create new presentation we have different type of themes or design, we can say. So from this we can create a new slide. Okay, okay, let's now see the home tab. Home tab is a main screen and allow you to add a new slide, that you can change slide layout, change fonts, font color, add bold, underline, italic, and you can also insert bullets and numbers in it. Okay, now let's see the insert tab. Insert tab is used to insert different features such as pictures, clip art, shape, icons, tables and charts, video and audio clips, smart art and word art, links, header and footer, symbols, you can say. Insert elements add to a presentation and keep your slide from being dull. Okay, so insert tab is used to insert different type of features to make your slide more attractive. Okay, now let's have a look on design tab. Design tab give you plenty of option to give your presentation a theme. Themes gives presentation color and styling. Theme also preset each slide design and layout along with font option and color. These can be changed if you don't like the theme choice. These tab also let you adjust margin and slide orientation. Okay, and now let's see the transition and animation tab. Okay, so what is transition? In transition, how slide appears on the screen, effects that are in place when you switch one slide to another. तो हम एक स्लाइड से दूसरी स्लाइड्स पे तब जाते हैं जब जो हम इफेक्ट लगाया जाता है, तब जो इफेक्ट स्क्रीन पे अपीयर होता है, वी कैन से दैट, उसे हम ट्रांजिशन बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज एनिमेशन? इट्स अ प्री डिफाइंड स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स. ये प्री डिफाइंड स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स होते हैं जो कि यूज़ किए जाते हैं टेक्स्ट और ग्राफिक्स के लिए कि वो कैसे अपीयर होंगे एक स्लाइड के ऊपर. ओके, how text, graphic, etc. appears on each slide. Okay, transition and animation can give your presentation a polish. Okay, Now let's have a look on slideshow tab. This tab provides option for presenting the slideshow to the audience. Narration for the show can be recorded and discussion can be made as to where to start the presentation. Means from the current slide or from the beginning, or we can present the custom slideshow from the slideshow tab. Okay. In addition, custom show can be created. Okay. Now let's have a look on a review and a view tab. That is, firstly, we can see review. This tab is used to check the spelling in the presentation, to add comments to different slides within the presentation, and to protect the presentation so that other can't make revision, include other different groups buttons. Okay. And in view tab, this tab is used to view the presentation in different format. It is also used to view more than one PowerPoint window at a time. Like we can see how to print a page, how we can see in a reading mode or in a website page layout. So these are in the view. Okay, view tab. Okay, so this is for the all tabs: file, home, insert, design, and transition, animation, slideshow, and review, view. We also have a record tab in that we can do recordings: audio recording, video recording, screen recording, or from that we can also export our video. Okay, and we can also take a screenshot of our content. And at last we have also a help tab, and help tab we have some other helping, so how we can use those tool, or if we facing some problem we can use that help tool. Okay, so these are the tools which are used in presentation, PowerPoint presentation we can say. So in next video I will show you to how to design presentation. Okay. Okay, let's end up the presentation here and end the video here. Okay, let's end this video here, and thank you so much for watching, and bye, take care, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.